I'm sitting here with the Chief Justice of the SABWiL Court. This is the first court. Your general view of just the presentations with the students and just how they presented their cases today.
You know, what struck me was the amount of talent that we have, because considering their level, they are still studying, some of them. There's one registrar who's just started off at the labor, it's not the labor court,
the land
claims court. And the quality of the output was so amazing. I do know that we pushed them, we asked them difficult questions, but they rose to the occasion. So I'm actually encouraged, and I think the future of this profession is in good hands.
I think so too. And with regards to the fact that this is the first SABWiL court, and just wanted to ask you generally in terms of what do you think moving forward SABWiL should do based on just it being the first one and moving forward for other students who are also going to basically experience the same thing?
I think what we have to do arising from this session is to get feedback from the participants and ask them whether their expectations have been met, and if not, what we can do as this organization to meet the expectations of our further participants, because as the organizers we do our best to give of our experience and of our time, but if it does not hit the target, it's not useful. So we'll have to check with our consumers what it is that we can do. In that way, we will remain relevant.
And we're so honored to have you as the first, but the Chief Justice of the SABWiL Court, who's actually pioneered this event. Just basically overall, what is your advice, or rather, what is your vision for the SABWiL Court moving forward?
Well, I would like to see it becoming a national court, moving from one province to the other and growing in leaps and bounds. But in order for it to grow, it has to remain relevant. And in order for us to remain relevant, we have to find out from our consumers whether we are being relevant and we are meeting their expectations.
And then just doing clear, Aisha just mentioned to just the crowd as well about the Constitution just reaching 20 years and just in terms of transformation. And I mean, personally for myself, I just joined the bar, just finished my pupillage this year.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I just wanted to find out what advice do you have for people like myself, being a black female?
Well, go
who just
out
joined
there,
the bar?
make it happen, stop complaining, be your own liberator, make it happen, and work hard. With the few briefs that you get, work on them as if your whole life depends on it, and that's what's going to take you forward.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Thank you
Most
for
welcome.
speaking to us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.